In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 2 or more OneDrive accounts on the same computer. Whether you're juggling work, school, or personal files, having multiple OneDrive accounts on your device can make life a lot easier. Let's dive right into the process, starting with a small icon that you might have overlooking on your taskbar. First, direct your attention to the OneDrive Cloud icon located in your taskbar. This small icon acts like a gateway to your OneDrive settings, and clicking on it will open up a world of options. So go ahead and click on that cloud icon. Once you've done that, look for the gear icon, which signifies settings. Clicking on this will help you access everything you need from preferences to account management. After selecting the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll want to choose the option labeled Settings. Clicking on this will bring up a window filled with various tabs, everything from how your OneDrive starts up to troubleshooting, and yes, your account preferences. Now let's focus on the Account tab, which is crucial for our task today. This tab is where you manage your accounts linked to the OneDrive app on your computer, and it's where we'll add that second account. Click on this tab and look for a button that says Add an Account. It's strategically positioned to make adding accounts as seamless as possible. Once you click on the Add an Account button, you'll be met with some on-screen prompts that guide you through the sign-in process. Follow these prompts closely. If you already have a Microsoft account for work or school, make sure to have the login credentials handy. Typing those in will seamlessly integrate your OneDrive account to your existing setup. You might be wondering at this point whether you can mix both personal and work or school accounts. The answer is yes, to some extent. While OneDrive allows for only one personal account per device, it supports the addition of multiple work or school accounts, which can be incredibly beneficial if you manage several project portfolios or educational needs at the same time. In summary, getting multiple OneDrive accounts running on a single computer is a straightforward process as long as you follow these steps, from locating the cloud icon in your taskbar to adding as many work or school accounts as you need. By doing so, you can streamline your workflow, ensuring that you access what you need when you need it, all in one place. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope this has been helpful for you and that you feel confident managing your OneDrive accounts with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out if you have any more questions. Happy organizing.